Right. So when it comes to formatting, let's start from this one, right? Let's start from this one. So if you want to format the font, if you want to format, change the font, you can select, first you have to select, okay, let's say you want to change the font in the heading section. You have to select that, click and drag, then you can select. The selected one, you can give the font, okay, let's give this one. Now you can see it is another font. You can do this in your sheet, Verdana, some other font, Arial, some other font. And you can apply anything here like this, okay? Anything that you like, anything that you like, you can apply there. So that is how you change the font. And to change this text to bold, italic, underline, so bold, italic, underline, we have shortcuts too, right? So for an example, if you want to bold these student numbers, let's select student numbers. Student number select column. The shortcut to bold, can anyone tell? What is the shortcut to bold? Control and B, right? Since no one knows, it's Control B. Control B for bold. Control I for italic. Control U for underline. If you again press Control U, it will remove the underline. Control I, remove the italic. Control B, remove the bold. Remember the shortcuts, right? Control B for bold, I for italic, U for underline, U to remove that, I to remove that, and B to remove that also. So you can bold, you can apply that bold style to your font. Let me apply bold to the numbers. And here also you can see bold, italic, underline is not there, but you can see strike through. Strike through means cut the text. You can cut the text. Bold, italic, and font size also you can change. If you want to change the font size, just select the thing, select the text and change it. You can make it 14, or you can make it 36, the largest one, or you can even make it more larger, like you can put 100 by typing there. Then that will be 100, but unfortunately you cannot see that large font in your screen, no? So let's make it a readable one. Let's make 10. Okay, now it's readable. Or let's make 12. Right? You can change the font size. Change the font size, bold, italic, strike through, underline. You can make Control U. Okay, let's underline this one. ICT school winners, underline, Control U to underline. And change the font to, let's change the font to this one, lobster. And change the size to 14. Okay, now you can change that, right? If you want to change the fill color, you can select the text. Right? If you want to change the fill color, select the text that you want to change the fill color. And from here, you can fill it. Fill any color that you like. Or you can fill color like this. The average එක අනුව නිකන් පාට වෙනස් වෙන range එකකට fill කරන්න පුළුවන්. Largest one will give different value. Just select බලන් ඉන්න ඉස්සලම you have to select this, then go to fill color, then go to the conditional formatting, and from there you can go to color scale, right? You can see the least value will get green color, the highest will get light color, or you can change that mean value. Let's minimum value එකට අපි දාමු red. Let's put red to the minimum value, and let's put green, the max value, let's put green to the max value, and for the midpoint let's put let's say okay, green. Midpoint is automatically filled, right? Or you can put a number and put to the midpoint, you can put yellow color. Okay, now you can see the least number will get red color, Mid numbers will get yellow color, and the highest values will get green color. Likewise, you can fill this in a rainbow pattern.
Sir, what is the shortcut of underline?
Control U to underline. How you applied this range colors, color range? You can go to here and then go to the conditional formatting. In there, you can go to the color range. From color range, you can give the minimum value red color. The maximum value you can give green color. And in between values, you can give the midpoint, the number, you can give yellow color. So then you can change the color scale. So you can apply this, right? Then after applying, you can click done and you can see the color range there. Then if you change the marks, so what will happen? That is the most important thing. දැන් අපි එක්කෙනෙක්ගේ marks වැඩි කරමු මේ 161 කෙනා රතු වෙලානේ තියෙන්නේ. රතු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ marks අඩු හින්දා. අපි ආව වැඩි කරමු නම් මෙතනට 90ක් දාලා දෙවෙනි එකත් අපි දාමු ටිකක් වැඩි mark එකක් 90ක් දාමු. Now you can see getting green. තුන්වෙනි එකටත් අපි දාමු 95ක් විතර. Now fully green. He became the first in the class. So these colors are changing, right? It's very important. You can fill these colors using range of changing colors using conditional formatting. Right, okay, let's see. So then the borders, the next one is borders. How to apply borders? You can select everything, then let's put this border, we'll go to this border, and you can change the border color. I'm going to change this to white. And I'm going to change the border length, border size to this one. And all the borders, I need to make it white. Now you can see all the borders are in white color. So shall we format like this? Can we apply the same formatting as I did? Let's try. And for this one also. So let's try to highlight this and give the borders and border colors. Let's give white color borders. And let's make everything bold and center. You can make it Control B to bold, and to center, you can click here and make it center. Now everything is centered. Now let's change the font size of all these things to Arial, size 12. Now it looks nice. And price, let's make it like another color. Let's make it. Okay, let's make conditional formatting for this one. So if it is a large value, you will get green light. But if it is a small value, you will get red light. And if it is a mid value, you will get yellow light. Okay, now we can see. Now you can see it's min value, max value, and all. But there are no ranges. That's why you are getting green. Because it is not a range, but here you have a range. Here it is not a range. That's why you are not getting the color range. But you can apply and see. So I just want to see your sheets now with colorful formatting. I just want to see your sheets with colorful formatting. Let's say if number is 0, it's red. If number is like 1000, it is yellow. If number is 1 million, it's green. And get red. No win. 10. No win. When you change this, you'll get different values. Because now we have assigned a range. When you win 1000, it should be green. So sorry, yellow. Rupiah 1000 win කරත් yellow වෙන්න ඕනේ. Okay, so now we have done this nice formatting. So I just want to see your sheets now. බලමු මොනවද කරලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. Inuka. Okay. Trying some fonts. Okay, good. Kevin, Rasin is not there. Minol is there. Okay, you have make everything red. Right. So let's try to apply the same formatting as I did, right? Try to apply the same formatting as I did. මම දාපු ඒවා දාන්න බලන්න. ඒ විදිහටම දාන්න පුළුවන්. එක එක ඒවා try කරාට කමක් නැහැ. ඒවත් දාලා ඉවරලා මම දාපු ඒවා try කරලා බලන්න. Okay. Janiru is creating the lottery, recreating it. Hirushan. Okay, very good. So I think you have applied the color scale. Very good. And you have applied fonts, color scale. That's good. So let me change this and see whether Hirushan's values are changing. I'm going to change Miles marks to 90. Ah, yes, it's changing the color. So you have given range perfectly. Yes, others should try, right? Dimat, I think you are trying. Deomi. Yes. Please try Deomi. Anadi, yes, you have tried. And given the range, very good. Again, color scale is given, but everything green. So you like green only. So you can give a little bit of red to indicate you got less marks. But the other way now. So the highest mark will get red now. So please change it the reverse, change it to the reverse order. The least mark should get red color then, right? Abhimani still not, I think she's not there. Aditi, yes, you have also done the color range in one and formatting, good. So this one you like, no change in colors you can do. So you like it most, not you, but you all don't like if එකට කැමති නැහැ පාට ටික නම් change කරලා දානවා. Okay, anyway, so that's great to see your performance. So okay, I need one last thing to share with you today. So as I said in other classes, so this is IT class, but you know, you all are going for some other classes like science, maths, Sinhala, Tamil. So if you have any good things in those classes, kindly share with me. Then I can apply that and make this class better than what I do now. ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ මොනවා හරි අලුත් දෙයක් දාන්න ඕන නම් කියන්න මේ ක්ලාස් එකට මෙහෙමත් කරමු. අපි මෙහෙමත් කරලා බලමු. දැනට අපි කරන්නේ practicals විතරනේ. practicals අපි වෙනම කරනවා. ඒ වගේම මේකත් shared sheet එකක් විදිහට කරනකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකයි මම shared Google sheet එකකින් කරන්නේ. එහෙම නැත්නම් මට කරන්න පුළුවන් මේක මේ Excel වලින් කරොත් මම දකින්නේ නැහැ නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරන එක. Now I can see. Right? Please take a print screen or screenshot of this. Next day we have to discuss some more formatting methodologies and also about charts and graphs. Okay, till then, good night. See you all in the next week.
Good night, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.